Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to write effective custom instructions for Claude projects using the best practices. This is the best way to set up your persistent workspace instructions so the system automatically remembers your personal writing style, rules, and goals without you having to retype them every single time you open a new chat. Step 1. Pick a highly specific project name and purpose. The first step is to open your main account workspace, click the button to create a new project space, and give it a clear, descriptive title. Navigate to your left sidebar layout screen, click on the New Project option, type in a very clear name like Weekly Email Newsletter Setup rather than a vague title like Workbox, and fill in the brief description line underneath. Click the confirmation button to build your fresh dedicated project workspace flat against your display view. Because giving your workspace a highly specific title primes the project scope immediately. If you mix your tasks together inside a single generic folder, your instructions will conflict with one another, causing the writing helper to blend different styles together. Separating your major workflows into their own rooms gives you a clean slate for precise behavior rules. Step 2. Open the Custom Instructions panel and explicitly type out exactly who you are, what your business does, and who you are trying to help. Click the small gear icon labeled Customize Project in the upper right section of your display view, move your typing marker into the empty instruction block rows, and type 2 to 3 sentences describing your regular daily job and target audience. Save your typed identity sentences into the main system profile box so the memory card holds onto them. Because the assistant needs a baseline identity map to understand the perspective it should take. If you do not state your role clearly right away, the tool would default to a generic robotic corporate tone that does not fit your background. Giving it your specific background allows it to tailor its answers perfectly to your industry needs without any extra prompting. Step 3. Define your exact formatting rules and list out the exact phrases or habits you want the tool to avoid completely. Scroll down to the next row line in the settings sheet, write a strict layout rule like use short paragraphs with 2 to 3 sentences max, and create a clear block labeled What to Avoid where you list filler words or patterns you do not like. Type clear negative commands like never use greeting filler lines at the start and avoid summarizing everything at the very end of your response into your canvas box. Because it saves you from spending endless time editing your text later. By setting explicit guidelines on paragraph length and banned vocabulary habits up front, you cut down on the system's bad writing habits. The tool will read this block at the start of every chat turn, making sure your output looks natural right out of the gate. And that's it. To write effective custom instructions for Claude projects, you first open your sidebar and create a project with a highly specific name on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the configuration box to type out your personal role and working context on your canvas rows. Then you write down your precise formatting rules along with negative examples of words to avoid to stop bad writing habits. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.